How to recover a deleted channel in Telegram. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in now. In order to recover your deleted channel, if you have left the channel will be deleted automatically. So you can see that right here. For example, I have this channel joined here from my Telegram account. Now if you tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner and tap on leave channel, now confirm it again. Now the channel will be deleted from your account. Now if you have done the same thing, now again you want to recover the deleted channel, what you have to do is you have to search for same channel to your search bar in the Telegram. So tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Once you're on the search bar, now you can again search for the same channel. Here this is the channel that I have recently deleted from my account. Now in order to recover it, tap on it and again tap on join. Can go back. Now open this channel and now all the information on this channel is restored and you have recovered your deleted channel successfully. So that's how you can recover your deleted channel in Telegram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.